Hi everyone, my name is Brenda Quintanilla and I am a law student at UC Davis School of Law. My friends at 826 National have asked me to share some ideas with you on how you can write your way forward. So to start off, like I shared, I am a law student. I am in my second year out of my 3 years that I need to complete at UC Davis School of Law, and I'm getting my JD. What's a JD? It's a Juris Doctorate. It's essentially a degree in the law. And after I pass the bar exam, hopefully, I will be a licensed attorney. A day in the life of a law student looks kind of chaotic all over the place. It involves going to class, doing readings for class, going to meetings if you're involved in extracurriculars. It involves creating studying materials that are called like outlines, meeting with professors, and hopefully fitting in some personal time as well, whether that's working out, if you exercise, or simply watching some TV. And as a law student and hopefully a future attorney very soon, writing is a huge part of our lives. We write essentially for a living and go to court for a living. And writing can have an impact on people's lives. It can mean their freedom. It can mean, damages for a certain wrong that they've experienced. It could be a variety of different solutions for people's legal problems. So to give you an example, this past summer I was an intern at a law firm and we worked on what's called the motion for summary judgment. And this is essentially a big, long legal paper that you write asking the court to dismiss the opponent's case. And you present your best arguments using cases, using case law, using policy, using, whatever you can put forward to advocate for your client. And it's writing. And as a law student, you also take 1 year of legal research and writing courses, and you really get to perfect your writing, which I think is incredibly useful. What inspired me to go to law school? Honestly, my community. I grew up in Richmond, California, in the Bay Area, and I witnessed a lot of injustices growing up. I am an immigrant myself. My family, we are all immigrants, and having this lived experience showed me firsthand the inequities in our society, and I wanted to be a part of finding solutions. So I decided to go to law school so that I can become an advocate for people from my community and families like mine. I think that having strong writing skills is really important for advocacy. Like I said, it can mean someone's freedom. Someone's freedom is on the line, someone's life is on the line. And when it comes to being an attorney and writing, it's the core of what we do. So getting to work on your writing skills at a young age, I think, is incredibly helpful and important. So I encourage you to keep practicing your writing, keep using your voice to advocate for people like your family and people from your community, because it can make a difference in their lives. Keep pushing, you got this.